Good day, everybody. My name is William Dragabear, and today we are doing Haunting Reactions, Part 26 of, guess what, Season 2. See you guys there. So, today we're pretty much looking at Nuke's Top 5. Yes, my favorite of all time person to react to. Nuke's Top 5. Scary sounds you don't want to hear. Let's get right into it.
Top 5 scary, unexplained sounds that you never want to hear. Unwelcome guests. This next clip was sent in to me by John Plymell. He says that he and his friend Alan were checking out an abandoned farmhouse near his grandmother's home in upstate New York. As you can see, the house is isolated. It sits in the middle of nowhere on a barely traveled back road. The outside looks like something right out of a horror movie. And the inside is no better.
Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh no. Bro, it stinks.
Oh, does it like dead body stink, or is it just, well, smell like somebody was taking a long walk and had to shit somewhere kind of stink?
Bro, look at all this garbage. Look how old those TVs are. Whoa.
Did you really just say, look how old those TVs are? Because I'm not that old, and I had those kind of TVs when I was a kid. Flat screens were just coming out.
The house is a death trap, full of rot and mold. The upstairs floor is so rotten the two are afraid to even try to venture up the stairs. And the basement is piled with garbage.
Yo, I guess that's it.
That's the basement?
Yeah, that's disgusting.
What
it's just
the
piled
hell?
up trash.
But then, they hear something upstairs.
You're hearing that, right? Like random footsteps?
Look at the floor. Dude. Somebody was up there that would fall through.
Bro, I'm getting cold.
You can see
Yo.
that I'm going through the back.
Bro!
Yeah. Is it bad that I kind of want to go there?
Now it's interesting to note that one of the boys mentions that the floor is so rotten that if someone were upstairs, they would fall right through. Because when I was watching the video, I noticed this.
It would fall through.
Bro.
Man, I bet those kids just looked at your video and just went, holy shit, I never noticed that.
Through one of the narrow, rotten holes in the floor, it almost looks like someone is staring down at them from above. Or maybe it's just an optical illusion. Either way, the boys did not return to investigate further.
Bro!
Through the Mill. On the YouTube channel The Haunted Side, ghost hunters Patrick and Sean investigate the supposedly haunted Donovan Mill in Nevada. In this clip, the Haunted Side team is using a Kinect SLS infrared camera to scan for potential ghosts. And then this happens.
I'm not sure if it's old floorboards just kind of popping as I'm walking, but I've gotten that twice now. I don't really know. And I'm getting a lot of high pitch frequency interference in here. Whoa.
That's something you really don't want to hear.
What the f was that?
What?
I have no... What the f okay,
What did you hear?
I don't know, dude. I don't know. I don't know what that was.
It's mapping somebody over there, dude.
Is it?
It's mapping somebody over there. Dude,
I heard like a blood-curdling girl scream, like it sounded like it was in the distance, but I don't even...
Dude, I didn't hear that.
Woo! That was very, very spooky.
Dude, you guys need to get the fuck out of there now.
Whoa, what the f... Whoa, what the f...
Next, they set up a camera to film in a large room that is one of the oldest parts of the Donovan Mill.
We leave the night vision camera recording in this room all night, and about 45 minutes after we leave, we catch something unbelievable.
Why, hello there. How are you today? My name is William. And you are?
What's really strange about this figure is that it appears to be moving in slow motion. Here's the same clip played 3 times in fast forward so you can get a better idea of what the movement would look like in real time.
Later on, the guys use a weird little device called an obelisk, which supposedly allows ghosts to manipulate electromagnetic fields to produce words from an internal dictionary. But they get more than just a few random words.
use whatever energy you need.
Before time. Shaken.
Before time?
Why did that say two words?
Yeah, it's 2 whole words on there.
Oh, no. Bro, that said it weird too.
Yeah, it like drug it. Oh my god! What the?
I really have nothing to say about this one.
That was
Dude, no, that was not me. Dude, oh my god, I got chills up to my... Dude, I got chills all the way up to like...
That wasn't you?
That was not me, dude. Oh, no. Bro, that said it weird too.
Yeah, it like drug it. Oh my god! What the? That wasn't you?
Dude, no, that was not me.
What's unbelievable about this chair moving is if you watch my body and the table, they're both completely still up until when the chair hits the opposite side of the table. So there's no way that I would have accidentally nudged it or kicked it or anything like that, because you would have seen both of those move.
Did the Haunted Side team catch a screaming ghost on camera? What do you think? By the way, you can
I think those two probably quit after this.
check out this entire video as well as the Haunted Side's other investigations over on their YouTube channel. The Lady in the Water. Over the last week, this next clip has gone viral in the country of Saudi Arabia, even appearing on the nightly news. So the story goes that the townspeople of Jazan, Saudi Arabia began to hear strange sounds coming from a long-abandoned water tank. When they gathered at the tank to investigate, things just got stranger.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم خلنا نشوف يلي هنا أنت آدمي بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Well, shit. You guys have just found a banshee. Good job.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. بسم الله يا رب يا الوضع والله ما يصح تموت. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاذات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله ندرا قد ينتقد يا رب. بسم الله.
Huh. Unless these guys are like professional ghost hunters or ghost investigators, I think they stuck somebody down there and they're just screaming as loud as possible whenever they hear certain words. But then again, I don't think I heard him explain this one.
The townspeople called local authorities, but by the time they arrived, the screaming had stopped. They investigated, but there was absolutely no one inside the tank.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
300 feet down. Over on the YouTube channel Exploring Abandoned Mines, a guy named Frank and his team explore some crazy, out-of-the-way caves and mines. In this video, his team member Gabe agrees to be lowered into a 550-foot deep mine shaft in Mexico. Now, if you're even slightly claustrophobic or have a fear of heights, this alone is pure nightmare fuel.
I'm going down a mine shaft right now. I'm gonna be going down 600 feet. Yeah, it's scary, I'll admit that. That's a little fast. Oh man.
Watch out! The Miner 69er is coming after you. Oh wait, it's 49er. Me and my dirty mind.
And it gets even scarier when the rope gets tangled and Gabe is just left dangling halfway down.
We're just sorting out some knots or twists in the rope.
I don't want to sit here too long, my imagination will go crazy. Oh man. You know, let's just look around a little bit. It's just super scary. I should probably change my mind right about now.
But the creepiness doesn't stop there. At around 300 feet down in the mine shaft, Gabe hears something.
Oh, let's grab some rocks to drop. Oh, what was that?
First, it almost sounds like a quiet little voice says, "Oh." Then there's a bizarre hissing sound.
Oh, what was that?
It's just like, oh, I'm supposed to be scaring you, right?
There has been rampant speculation in the YouTube comments as to what the strange sounds might be. Everything from animals and creatures to simple rope noise. But what do you think? You can check out the entire two-part series of the 550-foot descent into the mine over on the YouTube channel Exploring Abandoned Mines. The Creatures of the Night. So in this video recorded in East Texas, the uploader claims that there are some strange sounds going on outside his home.
Well, we were sitting around hanging out, and watching TV, and cats were laying right here at my feet. Next thing you know, they get up and take off running, tails puffed out, so heard something they didn't like. Been some strange sounds. Heard a few bangs on the house, so they heard something they didn't like, so went outside and check it out. What's going on? Anything out there? Dark. Can't see a thing out here. I'll just look chill by my flashlight. See the trail. See the trail going up there.
Ah, hell no.
Right east of here. Down by the light.
Sounds like to me that you got a classic case of the werewolves.
At first, he dismisses the sounds as simply being the howls and yips of faraway coyotes. But then the sound gets closer and doesn't seem so much like coyotes anymore.
What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take a really close look at this footage real quick, because that sounded way too close to not be on camera. Well, you guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, be sure to click that like button down below. Leave a comment if you ever want to contact me. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in the next chilling episode.
Great.
Laters.